If you're seeing OneDrive error code 100, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. This error usually points to a browser issue, a network connection problem, or a problem accessing a shared folder link. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tech skills. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting tutorials just like this one. First, let's start with the easiest fix. If you're using OneDrive in your browser, open a new InPrivate or Incognito window and try again. Sometimes the issue is caused by corrupted cache or cookies, and a private window gives you a clean session to test with. If that works, then the problem is most likely stored browser data. To clear it properly in Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time, then choose Cached Images and Files and clear your data. After that, reload OneDrive and sign in again. Next, check the shared link itself if you're opening a password-protected folder or file. Sometimes error code 100 happens when the link is broken, outdated, or the permissions were changed by the owner. If that's the case, ask the owner to generate a brand new sharing link and make sure the password and access settings are still correct. If the error is happening in the OneDrive desktop app, the next step is to re-authenticate your account. Click the OneDrive icon in the taskbar, open Settings, go to the Account tab, and select Unlink this PC. After unlinking, sign back in with the same Microsoft account to refresh your credentials. This often clears login-related issues that trigger error code 100. Another thing to check is your internet connection. OneDrive can fail if your network is unstable, if a proxy is interfering, or if a VPN is causing authentication problems. Try switching to a different connection if possible, and temporarily turn off any VPN or authenticated proxy before testing OneDrive again. If you're still getting the error, you can reset the OneDrive desktop app. Press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the run box, then paste this exact command: %localappdata %\Microsoft /OneDrive.exe/reset. Press Enter and wait a couple of minutes. You may see the OneDrive icon disappear and then come back once the reset is complete. That usually means the app has refreshed successfully. After that, open OneDrive again and check whether the error code is gone. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem right away, whether it was a browser issue, a broken link, a sign-in problem, or a network glitch. So to quickly recap, try an Incognito window, clear your cache, verify the shared link, unlink and re-sign in, check your network, and finally reset the desktop app if needed. If this video helped you fix OneDrive error code 100, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Windows and Microsoft Office troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.